In this video, I'm going to talk about how to make money online in 2020 based and easy method. This method basically as a freelancer, but again, you don't need any skills. I'm going to show you the tools and software that you can use it and you can make money from it, guys. So watch the video until the end and leave a like if you really like this video. Basically, in this video, we're going to talk about two different softwares as a freelancer. First one is called Jungle Scout Market. In this marketplace, we can talk about two things that you can do as a freelancer. For complete beginners, you don't need any skills. And another one we're going to talk about is Fiverr. Again, you can apply the same method with other freelancers like Upworks and the other freelance network guys. But you're going to use the same method, but I'm going to consider in this video I'm going to talk about only two websites, which is Jungle Scout Market and Fiverr. Again, for the first thing is making logos. That you can see here, people are charging around 160 because Jungle Scout Market is specifically for the Amazon sellers. There are millions of Amazon sellers right now. They are outsourcing most of the work, like logo design, keyword research, photography. Those things they're outsourcing with other freelancers to speed up their work, guys. So here you can see these are the people design logo for Amazon sellers. Then you can see branded logo design. They are charging 99 USD. You can see these logos you can create for free tools, which I'm going to show you. And see, this person have 162 review. Should be more sales because not all of them going to leave a review, but you can see 162 reviews, guys, and each logo is selling for 99 USD, but you can use free tools to make that logos. The first website I used is called freelogodesign.org. I put the link in the description. You can go and join today. So here, these are the same temporary logo design. All you have to do, put the company name. Here you can see, for example, something like that. You can select the category, say for example technology, and it will automatically add the logo basic design for you. Then you can redesign with the colors. You can see basically design the logo for you. You can select one of them, change the colors, change the font size and everything, and you can send it to the customer. If they like it, they pay you and you make money. Again, the second tools which I'm using for my freelance work is called Placeit. Placeit is a website you can create a mock-up for your print on demand. That's the one. I have a paid subscription with them. Again, you can design a free logo here. You can see here, you can design a free logo with them. Again, if you don't have any money, because it's a 89 bucks something like that per year, but don't worry if you don't have enough money. So you can say 90 bucks per year, but if you don't have enough money, you can use this free tool like freelogodesign.org or wix.com to create these logos, and you can upload, you can offer this service on Freelancer. You can see this person charging overnight. Because why they're charging this price? Because Amazon sellers are able to pay. They are not like other customers because they have money to spend, so they will pay you for the higher price, and even you can make lots of money from a Jungle Scout Market. Again, you can offer the same service on Fiverr that you can see here. People are making, so this person have over 1,000 review. Imagine 1,000 review, and you can see this person charging around 34 bucks for designing a logo, guys, and this person maybe sold over 1,500, maybe 2,000, but you can see this person has over 1,000 review. So you can still do it. You have to do is list your gig on this Fiverr or Jungle Scout or any freelancers network, and you can use free tools to make money, guys. This is the first method. Second method, and I'm gonna use it here, I'm using it right now, is called keyword research for Amazon sellers. Again, see, these kind of gig gonna pay you a little more money because you, even though you are complete beginner, you don't know about Amazon, selling on Amazon, but you don't have to do anything because this software is called Celiac. You can see you can join it for free trial here, and you can do the keyword research, and you can send all the data to the, just copy and paste method, guys. Send all the data to the customer. You can see this person charging around 35 USD, 30, 50 USD, 99 USD for the keyword research, guys. All they do is they use the tools like this one to generate this data and send it to the customer. You can see you can offer the same gig on Fiverr that you can see here. I will do a keyword rich SEO Amazon listening optimization, 53 bucks. You can do it, guys. It's for free. So list your gigs on Fiverr, Upwork, or Jungle Scout Market and find the free tools. Lots of free tools are there. Then you can use to do those tasks easily without spending many hours, and you can make easy money from online, guys. Also, if you are interested on this software Celiac, then you can go here in the bottom and join the affiliate network. Here you can say affiliate program, and you can promote this affiliate program for the people selling on Amazon. So you can find it on the forum or YouTube videos, YouTube channels. You can go there and you can promote your Celiac this software's affiliate program for them. Or again, you can go and use this one, it's called Place It. People interested in making logos, print on demand, Amazon. You can see people are selling print on demand product on Amazon. So you can promote this software. You can go to bottom here and join the affiliate program. Here they have affiliate program. I think here you can see you can join affiliate program, promote these softwares, and you can make money. So there's lots of ways that you can make money online, but you have to think and clearly write the plan what you want to do. For example, if you go with this method, you can use these softwares to offer a gig on a freelance website, and you can make money from freelance gig. At the second time, you can promote these softwares on forums, website, and YouTube and social media, and you can make affiliate commission from it because you have expert knowledge on those tools, guys. So there's a lots of other ways that you can make money from it. I hope you understand there's a couple of ways that you can make money in 2021. So if you like this video, leave a like and leave a comment. I like this video. And again, guys, if you want to make videos in a certain topic, leave me a comment so I can make a video on that, guys. Under that, have a good day. See you next video, guys.